Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO Find X2 Lite. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I am always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds. Now just tap the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode. How to activate pair mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Go to the settings, look for the system settings, then slide down to the backup and reset. Tap the reset phone, choose the network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Configure your pattern and tap the reset network settings. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go back, choose the Apple device and tap on the up to date, or just check for the update. If you have any, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.